Hello everyone, this is Ketish here. In this video, I'm going to go through the AQA Combined Science GCSE Chemistry Paper 1 Higher Tier from 2022. This is question number 4, which is on the atomic structure and the periodic table. This question is about group 7 elements. What are the group 7 elements known as? They are also known as halogens. Why do group 7 elements react in similar ways? Well, the elements in a specific group have similar properties because they have the same number of electrons in the outer shell. So group 7 elements have 7 electrons in the outer shell, or they all have 7 electrons in the outer shell. Figure 3 shows the structure of a molecule of chlorine oxide. What is the molecular formula of chlorine oxide in figure 3? So you have chlorine, there's 2 atoms of chlorine, and there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 molecules of oxygen. That would mean the formula is Cl2O7. Figure 4 shows the melting points of some group 7 elements. So they have given you chlorine and bromine, which are in the negative values. These are the melting points. So iodine and astatine have melting points above 0. Fluorine they haven't given you. So the question is 4.4. The melting point of fluorine is minus 220. Complete figure 4. You should complete the scale on the y-axis. Draw the bar for the melting point of fluorine. So the scale would be, so from 0 to 50 is 5 boxes. That's minus 100, minus 150, minus 200, minus 250. So in order to draw the bar for fluorine, it should go up to 220. So that would be 220. 1 mark for the scale and 1 mark for the correct bar to be drawn. Explain the trend in the melting points of the group 7 elements. So what's the trend? Fluorine is the smallest element compared to astatine, because this is in period 2 with 2 shells, and this 3, 4, 5, 6. This is in the 6th period with 6 shells. So the size of the element or the atom is actually increasing. So what happens when you increase the size of the molecules or atoms? In this case, they're molecules. So the molecules increase in size during going down the group. So the intermolecular forces increase. That's key. The intermolecular forces increase as you go down the group. This causes the melting points to increase going down the group. What is the state symbol for bromine at minus 50 degrees Celsius? So looking at the graph again, for bromine, its melting point is about minus 10. So at minus 50, it should be a solid. So that would be a solid. Evaporation and boiling occur at the surface of bromine at its boiling point. Name one more process that happens at the surface of bromine at its boiling point. Now, at its boiling point of minus 50, above 50, the molecules might evaporate. Below 50, it's going to condense. So when it's at 50, you could assume that both of these reactions are actually happening. So condensation, where did they go? There you go. Condensation also happens at minus 50, or its boiling point. That brings us to the end of question number 4. I will see you in question number 5.